What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, we're going to talk about staking. I think this is an important piece that you guys need to understand is staking your positions. When you think about how you can gain extra income, how you can gain passive income, and you hold certain positions in, say, Coinbase, or you hold certain positions in FTX, or you hold certain positions in Binance or Gate.io or whatever wallet you're holding things in, right? There's a lot of methods to where you can stake things and gain 3%, 5%, 4%, all of that. But there's one percentage, or I guess multiple percentages, that I see in a certain platform that's just ridiculous, right? 14% APY on stablecoins is ridiculous. 12% on stablecoins is ridiculous. 10% on stablecoins are ridiculous. That's more than what you can gain in a standard index fund. That's more than what you can gain on a lot of these mutual funds that you get into, on these long-term investments, and it's stable, right? You're gaining the percentage and the investment is not moving, right? It doesn't have to increase. You're gaining 10% based on the APY that it's paying you. That is crazy. So we're going to get into this a little bit. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And if you guys want to check out my links down below, it does help out the channel quite a bit. One of those links being my Let It Burn channel, which 100% of the profits goes towards burning off Shiba Inu. So if you're a big supporter of Shiba Inu and you want that to skyrocket, feel free to support that channel because all revenue, well, all profits are going towards burning that SHIB off. So anyways, let's dive into this. Like I said, there's a ton of cryptocurrencies that you can get, whether you're in crypto.com, whether you're in Coinbase, Gate.io, whatever the platform is. You can see all these cryptocurrencies that you could possibly get. Whether it's USDC, BNB, you can get Tether, you can get Ethereum, Bitcoin, all of that. But at this point, when you buy it in a Coinbase Pro, so you buy all of your positions here in a Coinbase Pro, you're not really getting anything back. And yeah, you can go into a Coinbase, regular. You can go into that regular platform and get percentages back on Cosmos, on Algo, on Tezos, but not really much else. So why is that a thing? Why can't you get any more on those platforms? And it's because they just don't offer it. They just don't have the ability to do that. Now in wallets is a different story. A lot of wallets you can find different percentages on the coins that they want to have any type of high APY on a lot of those. So whether it's Cosmos or whether it is Tezos or it could be Bitcoin, you can see a lot of those there, but it's a select group, right? Whatever they decide to put on there, that's what's going to be on there, and it won't be on there the next time you go on there to try and stake it. It may only be for a certain period of time. So I have a platform that I believe is probably the best platform for staking. The fees may be a little bit higher on the higher side, but the platform is crypto.com. Crypto.com is a huge platform that apparently you can see on the screen earn up to 14.5% on your crypto. 14.5% on your crypto. That is insane to say that you can earn that much with any type of stable coin, which is not moving in the value. The value is staying pinned to $1. And then what you're going to see is the percentage that you gain in APY just completely skyrocket, and you're going to increase your value. So you hold $1 million in this area, you're gaining $100,000 per year, and you don't have to worry about that decreasing in value ever. You're just gaining passive income with that money staying in there. So how do you do this? How do you get to a point to where you can gain 14% APY on your investments? Well, if you look here, they have a full calculation system. And the way that it goes is you need to have a certain amount staked in CRO in order to be able to get a certain percentage for other positions. So say you have less than $400 staked in CRO and you wanted to stake USDC, you would earn 10% on your investment, which 10% is better than, or is standard, right? You're looking at a standard index fund that you can get 10%, right? That's the return that everybody looks for. And 10% is amazing. You stake, $1 million dollars if you can. You stake $1 million dollars, and all of a sudden now you're gaining $100,000. Now, I know there's a limit on staking, so don't think you're going to go here and stake $1 million dollars right away. You have to have a certain level, which we will get into in a little bit. But then if you get to $4,000 that you're staking in CRO, now you can stake a lot more, and you can also get a 12% APY there as well. But if you're staking more than $40,000 worth of CRO, you can have 14% on your USDC coin. And it doesn't just stop there. As you go into a lot of this detail, I'm going to start by looking at less than 400. You go down here, you can see all of these coins that you have the ability to either stake for 1 month, to stake for a flexible amount, and just vary, right? And then you could see right here whatever is going to be 400 or less, 4,000 or 40,000 or more, right? You can see here that crypto.com will give you 6%. Your CRO coin will give you 6%. So you're staking that, gaining the APY, gaining the price value in the coin increasing, and you're just gaining a lot from that. So no matter what, you have to stake the CRO in order to gain a decent percentage. Because if you don't stake any CRO and it's less than $400, right, you're looking at a very small percentage. You're looking at 2% across the board. Like Shiba Inu, you're looking at 2%. If it's less than $400, you look at Dogecoin, you're looking at 2% if it's less than $400. So basically, you have to stake CRO in order to get to that point. And what does that give you if you stake CRO? Again, you get the 6% APY on whatever you stake in CRO. You also get the price increase from the bottom where we are with CRO to increase up to a level maybe of $1 or $2 or even more than that. And then you also get things like this. When you stake the CRO, you can actually look at the metal credit cards where you can get percentages back on your spending. So if you're staking $40,000 in CRO, which I know is a lot, that's 5% back on rewards on every purchase that you have, 5% back. And then you get all of these other benefits with this. So you're not only getting the percentage from CRO, you're getting the percentage for rewards in anything that you spend on. You're also getting the ability to stake for a higher amount, a higher APY amount. So if you obviously look at something like this and you're saying, okay, I want to hold for 3 months, $40,000 or more in CRO. Well, now my USDC, I can get 14%. My Litecoin, I can get 5%. My Ethereum, I can get 8.5%. My Tether, I can get 14%. All of these coins, you can get so much out of it. And, at a minimum, you're getting 5% back. It could be Avalanche, 8%. And these may change. Polygon, 14%. So you're obviously seeing the benefits of being able to stake on crypto.com. And I see that as well. Like if I had, 40,000 that I wanted to, or I had 40,000 in CRO, and now I want to spend maybe $100,000 into, it might be too little. Yeah, you know what? $100,000 I wanted to spend. So in CRO or not in CRO, in USDC, we're looking at $14,000 that I would gain over the year. $14,000 from $100,000 per week, I would gain $269 off of a $100,000 stake of USDC. And this could be a point to where, let's say you stake, let's go down here and say you have a lot of Shiba Inu, right? That'll be 5%. But say you have a lot of Shiba Inu, say you have $100,000 worth, which would be an insane amount, right? Well, now you're gaining $5,000 worth of Shiba Inu every year, or $96 per week, or 5% rewards. No matter how much you have, you're gaining 5% rewards. And then what you could do is take that $5,000 if you wanted to take it out in Shiba or you wanted to take it out in USDC and literally say, I want to use that here, and now I'm going to stake that $5,000 and gain $700 per year, or $13.46 per year off of the staked amount that I got from Shiba Inu or another cryptocurrency. So obviously, I think crypto.com has something crazy here, and it seems like it's just not real, because 14% is huge. Or, even 12% is huge, even 10% is huge. Just staking it for 10%, I could do that without worrying about having $40,000 in there. But you can stake your USDC for 10%, APY. I feel like that's a win-win in my book. I mean, when I look into this, this is why I'm holding my 202 million Shiba Inu over in crypto.com. Right now, I'm only gaining 2%. But as I add more CRO, I want to get up to the $4,000 level. And then I also want to get up to the $40,000 level, depending on, how much I can build from other cryptocurrencies. But I really want to get to that level so I can gain more passive income, because passive income is going to be the key. Because when I look at my positions right now, I'm not gaining this much percentage. Like, I'm not gaining 5% or 6% or 10% from anything that I have there. It's going to be a standard 10%. Now, this could adjust, and after, your 3-month period, it might go down in price, and this could all, become completely regulated and changed. And I don't know what they would end up doing here, because it seems like it's not real. But in my opinion, it's definitely a great thing to have. So you let me know what you think about it. You let me know what you think about staking your cryptocurrencies. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. If you guys want to check out the Let It Burn channel, feel free to check that out. That does help out everybody in the Shiba Inu community, because we're looking to burn off as much Shiba Inu as possible. But that's just insane. 14%. 14.5%. That is insane. Is it not? I mean, at least I think it is. That's ridiculously high. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.